Welcome to AutoBuzz. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Lincoln Corsair, a luxury compact SUV that combines elegance, advanced technology, and a refined driving experience. Lincoln continues to enhance its lineup, and the Corsair remains a standout choice for those who want premium comfort with modern performance. With refreshed styling, upgraded technology, and a focus on delivering a smooth and quiet ride, the 2025 model aims to set new standards in the segment. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair showcases a sleek and sophisticated look, with a bold front grille featuring Lincoln's signature design language. The updated LED headlights are slimmer and more angular, providing improved visibility while adding a modern touch to the front end. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining an elegant stance. The rear features updated LED taillights and a refined bumper design, completing the premium aesthetic. Available in a variety of colors and wheel options, the Corsair offers customization to match personal tastes. The 2025 Corsair continues to offer a choice of powertrains to suit different driving needs. The standard engine is a turbocharged four-cylinder that delivers a balance of power and efficiency, ensuring a responsive driving experience. For those looking for an eco-friendly option, Lincoln provides a plug-in hybrid variant that offers extended electric-only driving range while maintaining strong performance. The hybrid system enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions without compromising on power. Both powertrains are paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system is available for improved traction in various road conditions. The Corsair welcomes passengers with a luxurious and high-tech environment. The premium materials, including soft leather upholstery, wood accents, and brushed metal trims, create an upscale atmosphere. The redesigned dashboard features a large high-resolution touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Lincoln's latest infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with the premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to access key information at a glance. The ambient lighting system offers multiple color options, enhancing the cabin's relaxing feel. Comfort remains a priority, with Lincoln equipping the Corsair with ergonomically designed seats that offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The spacious second row provides ample legroom, making long journeys comfortable for all passengers. The quiet cabin is enhanced by Lincoln's active noise control technology, which minimizes road and wind noise, creating a serene driving experience. A panoramic sunroof is available, bringing in natural light and adding to the open feel of the interior. The 2025 Corsair is packed with advanced safety and driver assistance features. Lincoln's Co-Pilot 360 suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system aids in parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The hands-free driving system, available on select trims, allows for semi-autonomous highway driving, reducing driver fatigue and long trips. Advanced sensors and AI-powered technology further enhance the SUV's ability to predict and prevent potential collisions. Driving dynamics in the Corsair focus on delivering a smooth and composed ride. The adaptive suspension adjusts to road conditions in real time, ensuring maximum comfort and stability. The steering is precise, making city driving and highway cruising effortless. Multiple drive modes allow drivers to customize performance, whether they prefer a more relaxed ride or a sportier feel. The hybrid model benefits from instant torque, providing quick acceleration and seamless power delivery. Lincoln offers a range of customization options for the 2025 Corsair, allowing buyers to personalize their SUV with different interior themes, wheel designs, and exterior paint choices. The black label trim provides an even more exclusive experience, featuring unique styling elements and high-end materials. Special packages are available to enhance technology, performance, and comfort features, ensuring that drivers can tailor the Corsair to meet their exact preferences. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair continues to uphold the brand's reputation for luxury and innovation. With its refined design, advanced technology, and impressive performance options, it remains a strong contender in the luxury compact SUV market. Whether you prioritize comfort, efficiency, or cutting-edge features, the Corsair offers something for everyone. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoBuzz for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates on new models. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video.